Well, hey there. If you spend any amount of time watching ham radio videos on YouTube, then you probably came across an ad that starts out like this with a guy holding up a Baofeng UV5R and advertising for a product called hamradioprep.com. Well, I took the bait and purchased a subscription to hamradioprep.com when I was studying for my general class license exam. So is Ham Radio Prep worth the money, and would I recommend it to you? We're going to talk about that today on KF5RA Ham Radio. But first, if you have not already, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It just helps out the channel and helps this video reach more people. On to the video. Well, what's up guys, and welcome to another video here on KF5RA Ham Radio. My name is Chase, call sign KI5IRE. First things first, I just want to start out by saying this video is not sponsored by Ham Radio Prep or anyone else. This review is based entirely off of my own experience from using Ham Radio Prep to study for my general class license. So I just want to let you guys know that, so you know I don't feel any obligation that I have to make a good review on this product. So I got my general class ticket back in September, and I've been studying for my exam for quite a while, almost a year probably. And after I got into HF in August, I got really serious about getting my general class license, and I just started studying, but I wasn't really getting the results that I was looking for when I started studying more seriously. So I remember seeing these advertisements on YouTube and other ham radio websites for this product called Ham Radio Prep, and I ended up looking it up, and I ended up going with the All Access Pass membership and trying it out to see if it could help me get closer to the results I was looking for before I went and took my general class license exam. And I did pass my general class exam back in September. And one of the reasons I ended up purchasing the more expensive All Access Pass tier membership for Ham Radio Prep was I plan on studying for and testing for my Amateur Extra exam here hopefully in the near future. So I just wanted to make it cheaper for myself and purchase both the general and the Amateur Extra courses at the same time. So I just want to give you guys some of my thoughts on Ham Radio Prep after using it to study for my general class license exam. So before we get into the review, I just want to show you guys some of the features that Ham Radio Prep has. So Ham Radio Prep offers 3 membership tiers. Level 1, which is the technician license course, for $35. Level 2, which is the technician and generalized courses, it's normally $70, but as of the filming of this video is currently on sale for $55. And the level 3 all access pack that includes tech general and amateur extra, which normally goes for $199 and is currently on sale for $79 as of the filming of this video. And with the all access pass subscription, you actually get a Baofeng basics course. The website says it's a limited time only, so I'm not sure if this is typically included or not, but you get that with the all access pass subscription. And you also get VIP student support with the all access pass subscription. So some of the features of Ham Radio Prep: it features up-to-date question pools, lessons in both text and video formats, practice questions after the lessons, the ability to use your subscription on multiple devices. So basically you can just go from using your membership on like your iPad to your iPhone, to your Android, to your desktop computer, whatever works best for you. And then you get unlimited practice exams and gift cards, so you can be gifted a subscription. And one of the other things that I thought was cool is Ham Radio Prep also offers a guarantee on their service. So the Ham Radio Prep website states if you don't pass the FCC exam on your first try, they will give you your money back and pay for your exam fee. The only 2 rules that they require in the unlikely event that you don't pass your exam is that you read through all the course chapters and receive at least an 84% on one of your practice exams. And that's it for the features section of this video. Now on to the part of the video that you guys actually came here for, and that's the review. So to start the review part of this video out, I'm just going to start out with some of the things that I like. So the first thing I want to talk about is the pricing with Ham Radio Prep. Overall, I feel like the pricing is actually pretty fair for Ham Radio Prep. $35 is not really a bad price for the course, especially with all the features that I listed that you get included with it. And then for the other 2 tiers, I also feel like they're also pretty fairly priced when you're talking about getting both your tech and your general. And then when you get the all access pass, you have all 3 included in there. And this is lifetime access, so I definitely feel like the price is definitely worth it since you don't have to pay a monthly subscription or anything like that. So I do feel like this price is pretty fair and pretty affordable for most budgets, and it's not just for the wealthy hams. Again, with the All Access Pass, you get access to all 3 license exam courses. So you get that all for one price, and for cheaper prices you can get access to just the tech or just the general. So if you're looking to get your tech, you can just try it out, pay the $35 if you don't want to pay the full price for the all access pass. You know, just try it out, see if it works for you. And one other thing I'll say about the pricing as well, it seems like they're always running sales on their memberships. I think every time I checked the Ham Radio Prep website before I actually purchased it, I was seeing sales on there quite a bit. So that's pretty nice that they do that. So on to the next topic of this video is the video and web production quality. The video production is honestly really good. They use a lot of motion graphics and animations and things that were really well produced. So I really do like the video production quality that Ham Radio Prep is using. And the other part of that is the web design. The website is designed really well and the user interface is developed really well as well. It was pretty easy to use. I think most people would be able to figure it out. So again, I really like the video production quality and the website. The UI is great and they use very nice and modern creative styles on both the website and the videos. So the next thing that I like about Ham Radio Prep is the quality of the lesson content. Overall, the videos are pretty thorough and they have some text included as well that's also pretty thorough as well. It's kind of like a textbook built into the website. Super nice to have both options of that, especially if you're somebody who learns better on some concepts with videos and animations and things like that, you know, more visual learning style, or you're somebody who is better with reading on some concepts and that helps you a little bit more. So it's nice to have a mashup of both of those types of learning styles. And the lessons are also generally pretty easy to understand. They explain pretty much every topic really well, and the use of the different graphics and animations just really help to make the lessons a lot more clear and easy to understand. And that's it for my list of things that I like. That's just the ones I could think of off the top of my head. I'm sure there's other things that I'm missing as well, but that's just the main points that I wanted to hit. And now on to the next portion of this video, and that's things that I don't like. So the first thing that I don't like is I would like to see the ability to purchase individual courses. Maybe that's already an option. I'm just missing it after you've already purchased one membership. You purchase them one at a time, but it'd be nice to see it listed on the website if that already is an option, because some budgets are a little bit more restrictive and you can only really pay as you go. So it would just be nice to see kind of a pay as you go option if you don't have the option to either buy the tier 2, which has the technician and general courses, or the all access pass, which is tech, general, and extra. So it'd be nice to just have that pay-as-you-go option for more restrictive budgets. I think that might be something worth implementing. Not everybody in ham radio has a huge budget to spend on studying for their exam, so that's just something that I felt was worth mentioning. So another thing I don't like is not really something I don't like, it's just something I feel like could be done a little bit better. But the highlighted text in the video, which is just supposed to be an important point of the video, sometimes that's easy to miss, especially when I was on like the electrical components section. I felt like I was missing a lot of the bolded and highlighted text, and I would have to go back and rewatch the videos multiple times and I would finally see it, but I just felt like that was a little bit easy to miss sometimes. So it'd be nice to see some just like kind of audible notification or something like that, that this is a key point is on the screen and you need to pay attention to that. Maybe it was just me not paying attention to it because I was more focused on trying to wrap my head around the concept itself or whatever else was going on. But the highlighted feature works a majority of the time. It was, like I said, just a few times I felt like it could have been a little bit better. And just the last thing, this is not really something I don't like. This is just something more I'm having an issue with. And that's just that when I signed up for my Ham Radio Prep account, I used my Apple ID to purchase the membership. And basically I'm just having an issue where I can't access my Ham Radio Prep membership on anything other than my iPhone and my iPad. I can't log into it on desktop computer because the Apple ID option is not there. And when I sign in using an email and all that, it takes me to an account I guess I created previously that doesn't show a subscription. So it's just a big issue. I've been trying to get support to help me with that, and I just really haven't got a direct answer to that question. I don't know if they're misunderstanding my question or what, but again, they are very responsive and they respond pretty promptly. So hopefully I'll end up getting this resolved. But like I said, that's just an issue that I've been having since I signed up, and I can access it from my phone, my iPad, whatever, but it would also just be nice to be able to access it from my computer when I don't want to use my iPad or my iPhone. And that's really it for this section of the video. There's not really a list of things that I don't like. So just to wrap things up, in conclusion, is Ham Radio Prep worth the money? For me personally, yes. Again, I used Ham Radio Prep to study for my general class exam, and I'm also going to be using it to study for my amateur extra exam as well. So for me, I think purchasing it was a good idea. I'm glad that I purchased it. The study materials, you know, the video and the text and all that stuff, I think really did help me grasp some of those concepts. And really the videos just have a lot more in-depth explanations of things than some of the other study materials that I was using. And really after using Ham Radio Prep, I feel like I had higher practice test scores. And really again, I think that's just due to the practice test questions at the end of each lesson, which are the same questions that are going to be in the test, and then the unlimited practice tests that you can go take, and it just does randomized tests that are generated much like the actual test that you'll see when you go to actually take your test. So would I recommend Ham Radio Prep? Well, it depends. If you're somebody like me who is more of an audio visual style learner, then possibly. But but your experience may differ based on what type of learner you are. Some people learn best from reading books, or just cram studying for a test and go take a bunch of practice tests and just memorize the answers, or just other methods of learning. So just choose whatever method works best for you. And consider even taking one of those learner style quizzes that you can find online. I actually put one in the link below. It's from Texas A&M University, and it's just basically you answer these questions and you tally it up, and it gives you a good indication of what learning style you might be. So if you're more of a visual learner, maybe something like Ham Radio Prep is good for you, and maybe if you're somebody who has a different style, maybe reading is a better option for you. But would I recommend it? Absolutely. I feel like it was a great resource. I think it helped me a lot pass my tests, so I definitely think it's a good resource that is worth the money. And just some other resources I use to study. I use hamstudy.org, and really I just sat there taking practice quizzes and just memorizing the answers to the questions. And I just sat there and did that for hours on end. Great tool. I really like Ham Study. I also use that to study for my tech exam as well, and I plan to use it to study for my extra as well. Ham Study is a free resource, and it's actually funded by sales from a company called Signal Stuff. They make antennas, but I really like Ham Study. Great resource. Highly recommend that. I think between the lessons on Ham Radio Prep and the practice quizzes on Ham Study definitely helped me pass my general exam. And the other resource I was going to mention too is there was also a book that I read. It's called something like Get Your Ham License the Easy Way or something like that. I'll put a link in the description below of that as well. It's a little bit different than the Gordon West book. Basically everything you need to read is actually in the text, and it's a good way to memorize the test questions as well. So I do credit that to me getting my general ticket as well. But like I said, I'll put a link to that in the description below. And that's it for the video. Like I said, I would totally recommend Ham Radio Prep. I think it's a great resource, and I think it's definitely worth the money, and it's a pretty fair price as well. It's not just for the rich hams. So shout out to the guys at Ham Radio Prep for developing such a great resource and just an all-around great quality product. Again, if you have not already, make sure to hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Just helps out the channel and helps this video reach more people. Until next time, guys, 73.